How to prepare an input file for GULP. Note that a GIN file is a draft. It's up to the user to complete the GIN file based on the expected outcome. My expectation is to achieve optimization, so the commands I use are optimize, constant pressure, compare initial and final structures. I'll be working with corundum alpha aluminium oxide in this tutorial. A GIN file has crystallographic information such as unit cell parameters, fractional coordinates, space group, Buckingham potential, species, and spring values. First of all, we need a CIF file. I'll be using AMCSD to collect the data. Let's see what's in here. Here you can find the related articles, authors, publications, and details of the articles. Scroll down and you will find the cell parameters, fractional coordinates, and space group. Bingo! Found the cell parameters. Space group. Scroll down. And here are the fractional coordinates. Cool. GULP is a program that can recreate crystal structure when the data from scientific research are provided. You can create your crystal inside your computer. Computational chemistry is cool. You can work anywhere. Now it's time to transfer the data from CIF to our GIN file. Once you are done with cell parameters, input the fractional coordinates. Once you are done with cell parameters, fractional coordinates, and space group, you are supposed to find the rest of the data. Take a look here. Potential libraries can provide very useful information such as Buckingham potentials. You may need to click on the atoms of your crystal. In my case, I will click on aluminium and then oxygen. Now you are supposed to select the libraries which show the aluminium cation and oxygen anion. Pay attention to the oxidation state of the ions. I chose Bush library. Now I'm gonna use the data from here to complete our GIN file. Here you go. You got the GIN file. Save the file in the bin. Run the program and you will get the GOT file. Wow, good job. Here's your GOT file without any errors. Optimization achieved, mission accomplished. Read the GULP manual for further information and practice many examples as possible. See you soon with the next tutorial. Bye.